Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fix a problem where your reels are getting 0 views on Instagram. So let's get right into it. So firstly, if you go into your account and go into your reels section, you'll see the views of your reels in the bottom left. Now, if you are not certain if your reels are getting views, they might not be getting views at all, in which case you need to make sure that your reels are good and of high quality. To make sure that they are well fitting for the algorithm, make sure that they are in a 16:9 aspect ratio or 9:16. Make sure it's vertical 16:9 pretty much, and you should make sure that they are about 20 seconds max. It might you might be able to go over 20 seconds and they might still be getting views. However, you should make sure that they are well, as concise and as possible, and that they get good engagement by being, consumer friendly. And you can also make sure the quality is good by going into your settings menu, going down until you get to your app and media, then click on data usage and media quality and make sure upload at highest quality is checked off and that your reels are uncompressed. Other than that, if you're having any other problems with it, might be due to a glitch in the system. So go ahead and go to your storage, clear the cache. Corrupted cache might cause a fair bit of problems for Instagram. You can go to your app store, make sure that Instagram is fully updated, and if it is, then you can try downgrading it, or you can just try reinstalling it as a whole, and that might fix it. And if that doesn't fix it at all, then you can go ahead and try to contact Instagram by submitting a report for an issue, and they will get back to you in 2 or 3 days, in which case you will be able to fix it if they locate the problem with your app. Alternatively, you can also try restarting your device. However, I'm not sure how that would work or how well that will work. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.